This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Frank Struck. Townhome in Towne Place of Pompano. Cozy 2 bedrooms, 1.5 bathrooms, with open floor plan that is perfect for entertaining guests or simply relaxing with your loved ones. Recently painted and move-in ready. Step outside and enjoy the Florida sunshine on your entrance patio or retreat to the rear patio for a quiet evening under the stars. The community pool is just steps away, offering a refreshing oasis for those hot summer days. Conveniently located near shopping, dining, and major highways, this home is ideal for first-time buyers looking to settle down or investors seeking a lucrative rental property. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity to own a piece of paradise in Pompano Beach. Schedule a showing today and make this house your new home sweet home. For more information, review the details below or contact Frank Struck at 646-594-5656.